Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can use this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 DJI Mic Mini 2. Means I purchased this on the creator combo. Now I'm not using with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 but with the phone. In this video I'll explain how you can use this mic with the mobile. Say for example, if you want to record this audio recording and you want your voice to be recorded from this mic, not with the microphone of your mobile, I'll be telling you how you can use this even for the voice recording, or even when you open the camera. Say for example, when you're recording something using this phone camera, right? This phone camera also, in that case, if you want the audio to be recorded from the DJI mic, you need to do one thing. First of all, turn it on. Okay, this has turned on. Remember, I am not connecting this with the Bluetooth connection, because if you connect this mic with the Bluetooth connection of the mobile, the default recorder of the phone won't record the voice from the external mic. It will record the voice from the internal mic of this mobile only. So then what you need to do is, you need to turn this here. See here, you need to turn this transmitter, USB transmitter. See here, this is the power on, right? This is the USB transmitter. Press and hold for few seconds, then you will see this orange light here, right? Yeah, orange or red light, you can say orange, yeah, red light. Then you need to take this USB type C cable. Just you need to connect with the port here, one side to the DJI mic and other side to the mobile C type here. As soon as you connect, your mobile will detect at the top. See here, DJI USB drive. So explore eject. Okay, leave it like that. Now what you do is, to record the voice just like normally, see, I am keeping this at the mouth here. Okay, I'll be recording this. Now whatever the voice I am recording is not with the video. Okay, this is the audio clip. Whatever I am recording is now recording with the mic and through the USB cable. So the input voice, which now is delivering with the DJI mic and along with the combination of mobile. See, what are the benefits if you use this mic? There will be voice clarity, excellent voice clarity, good audio quality. It will look professional. Okay, it will look professional. Even the same thing you can use with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera also. Okay, right now I'm recording the video with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera only, but the audio which you're listening is from the this one, DJI Osmo, sorry, DJI mic to audio. Okay, so this video, if it is helpful for you, please do hit a like. That would be great help for me, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.